Hi, this is part 6 of the Let's Make a Visual Novel series. Okay, so we are continuing this from part 5 of the series where we covered the bounce and zoom effects. You can find the link to the playlist down there in the description. Now, as usual, I'll show the images I am using. The characters I am using are generated using Stable Diffusion and image to image. I have told about this in the previous videos. So if you want to know how to do that, refer to the description also. As I have said before, I recommend using the Mage Space tool for backgrounds and automatic 111 Stable Diffusion web UI for characters. Okay, so let's go ahead to Visual Studio Code. So today I will show you how to do some basic color animations in RainPy. We have already learned about the repeat statement and how to change the color of a character sprite before. Check out previous episodes if you don't know it yet. Combining these two features allows us to use color-based animations. Basically, we change the color and use repeat to make it an animation. Repeat here is the main basis for all custom transform animations in RainPy scripting. So let's try a simple blue color blinking animation. We basically take the previous matrix color change operations. Adjust the color from gray to blue. Then, add a repeat statement at the end. Add our custom transform to the scene statement which shows our background. Now let's test it. There you go, works as expected. You can also use it with the other subclasses of matrix color. Look at the documentation here. And let's take contrast matrix for example. The documentation says if the value pass is more than 1, then it increases contrast, and vice versa. If it is less than 1, it decreases the contrast. Okay, let's put it to the test. And create a custom transform like before, but with contrast set to 2 instead of the red color. So basically the same function with the contrast change sandwiched between the default values. Also keep in mind that change in these values carry over to the next sprite. As shown previously, transformed values are preserved. So we need to have a reset function that resets all color contrast whatnot values. And call it wherever required. Okay, now let's test both functions. Now you can see both of them are working. So these color contrast and other transforms can be used to make animations. You can use them to better express emotions. For starters, the contrast one can be used if the character is angry. We have a use case for that, so I'm putting some references there. Let's test it now. There you can see how it's used. Likewise, I urge you to try other matrix color subclass in the documentation, as you can see here. They can be used in various cases like representing emotions or showing light effects. So yeah, that's about it for now. Have a good day.